What's up, JBCS, Gen Zs, and Millennials? Back to school na. Wala ka pa rin bang laptop, printer, or computer dahil na tight budget? Good news! Dahil pwede mo nang iwi ang pangarap mong tech gadget by your own credit, easy plan na may flexible terms from 6 months up to 24 months. At kapag ikaw ay on-time magbayad, ay meron kang reward from home credit. Ito ay ang gift payment na kung saan libre na ang last month payment mo. Woo! Pwede mo pang i-avail ang aming balik eskwela promo from July 1 to 31, 2024 and get a chance to win a Gcash loan. Mamimili rin kami ng 5 top fan at 5 top engager na mananalo rin ng Gcash loan. I-like, i-follow, subscribe, and share mo lang ang aming video para makasali. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Apply now and get approved with Home Credit Easy Plan here in JNB Computer Store located at Lelas Michelle Building, Marcos District, Talavera, Nueva Ecija. See you!